it gives me great pleasure, great privilege, great honor to address the small team or great team that I have. It was not an easy journey for me. Last 1 year, 2 years had been a tough journey. Things were not so good. Things were very frustrating, very demanding. But we had a vision. And we believe that if we do not quit, things will happen. We started Mobility Pavilion with Diana and 2-3 technicians we had. And the first impression from Alec was, what would these guys do? Would they be able? We just got electrical subcontract. We were just thinking, 2 days back we were talking about that. They said, probably we got the wrong guys on the job. But luckily, God was kind, and the people who were associated with us were so good. They worked day and night, hard and harder, and their commitment really kept us alive. And we delivered. The same people who were casting their doubts on your company capabilities, now they want us to work with them. They want to give us more projects. Isn't that a victory for us?
Yes.
Now, 2 days back we started the solar project. So the same thing is coming back again. We have a vision. We had a vision about how Allied Vision should grow on the MEP spectrum, but because of COVID and other situations, we were not able to take projects outside the expo perimeter because of the financial issues that is going on around. And our responsibility, we feel that our staff is our real strength, and they are the company. The company, me, nothing. Basically, one man cannot run a company. We have a vision, and we need a team who can take and drive the whole thing. So we are coming to solar for the first time, but we have a vision. We know that where we want to be after 2 years, after 5 years in the solar industry. And the same thing again they said when we were trying to start working. Our guys, they don't know the job. They are trying to learn. They are saying you guys don't have a technical guy. You don't have the right surveyors and all that. But we mobilized. Our mobilization is the best out there in Solar Park at this moment. But we know we will get it done. We can get it done is because we have the blessings of the Almighty and the prayers of my team and our well wishes who would ensure that we don't fail. And with that, I hope that we would, grow more and more wonderfully, organically, in such a way that we flourish, not only the company, but everybody who's part of the organization. We all flourish together, we all achieve success, and we all reach greater heights. I want to generate more leaders and more managers so that they can take care of the things. I'm happy that I'm standing next to my great leaders, Mr. John, Mr. Naveen, Mr. Sekhar. I have a confidence that even if I'm not sitting here, they would be ensuring that they would be delegating the works and getting the work done, and I can peacefully focus on the other milestones. So that while I'm getting the road ready, they can come with the team and bulldoze it, So my role is to create a pathway, and they can come and get it done. So thank you guys for all your support. Every team member, right from the office boy to the guys who are working on the field, the drivers who work for us. I'm really grateful, very humbled, and I hope that we'll continue the journey this year, next year, and many more years to come. Thank you very much. 2020 for Allied Vision was a fantastic year, and I cannot say that we had troubles. There are always the bumpy roads, but it's always there. Life is always oscillating cycle. But we've always been on the plus side. We've always been in a way that people try to create problems for us. We had people who sent emails to Expo saying that these guys are doing like this, but then nothing shook us. We still stand here with so many pavilions. Yesterday we got 4 more pavilions, and they said today we received the LOI in Expo. So we are here, and we are here to send a message, right? That we will work hard, and we will ensure that we do not compromise. Quality is the key that we would work for. I do not cut corners. I don't want my team to cut corners. That's going to be our selling point. That is going to be our USP. Right, guys? So, with that, I'd like to wish you all a very, very happy new year to you and your family and all your dear ones. You enjoy this evening and the year to come. Thank you so much for being with me.